Lemon Squeezy versus Stripe, which platform is actually better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is actually better among Lemon Squeezy and Stripe. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Lemon Squeezy. Lemon Squeezy provides a simple and user-friendly platform, perfect for selling digital products. It is tailored to digital product creators, including those selling software, ebooks, and subscriptions. Handles international tax compliance, including VAT and sales tax, easing the burden of global sales. It supports subscription services with built in tools for managing recurring payments, accepts payments from a variety of methods, including credit cards and digital wallets, enhancing global reach, offers fewer customization options for storefronts and branding. It also includes transaction fees in addition to payment processing fees, which could reduce your profit margins. It lacks a wide range of third party integrations, limiting its functionality compared to some competitors. Now, let's come towards Stripe. Stripe supports payments in over 135 currencies, making it ideal for businesses with an international customer base. It offers extensive API documentation, allowing for deep customization and integration into various systems. Provides built in tools for managing subscriptions and recurring payments, which is great for SaaS businesses. It also features advanced fraud detection tools to help protect businesses from fraudulent transactions. Can handle businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, making it highly scalable. Requires a technical setup, which may be overwhelming for non developers. It also includes transaction fees and additional fees for certain features like instant payouts. It is not as comprehensive for physical point of sale POS systems compared to other processors. Choosing between Lemon Squeezy and Stripe depends on your specific needs. Lemon Squeezy is perfect for creators and small businesses looking for an all in one solution with easy setup and tax management, while Stripe is ideal for businesses seeking a scalable, customizable platform with global payment support. Consider your business model and technical needs to decide which platform suits you best. That's all for the video.